In today's video, I will explain how to change your email address in the Bybit app. If you want to update the email associated with your account, let me show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Bybit app on your device. Once you're on the home page, tap on the profile icon in the top corner. Next, look for the Settings option and tap on it. In the Settings menu, choose Security. Under the Security settings, you'll find the Email option. Tap on it. After tapping it, choose Change My Registered Email and click OK. The app will ask you to enter your account password and the Google Authenticator code, if you have added it, to confirm the action. Enter your password. Then you will be able to enter the new email address you want to link to your account. Type the new email and tap Confirm. You will receive a confirmation code on your new email. Enter it in the app to confirm the change. And that's it. You have successfully changed your email address.